A geared gear is an all-in-one combination of a motor and gearbox. The addition of a gear head to a motor reduces the speed while increasing the torque output. This is ideal for applications that require high torque at low speeds, such as electric vehicles. Geared DC motors are also more efficient than ungeared motors, making them perfect for use in power-sensitive applications. What is the difference between DC motor and DC geared motor? A DC gear motor is a type of DC motor that includes a gearbox. This makes it a single motion control component, which is ideal for applications where space is limited. The gearbox helps to increase the torque of the motor, while also reducing its speed. This makes the DC gear motor perfect for applications where high torque is needed, but speed is not as important. Which is better, gear motor or brushless motor? A brushless DC gear motor is more compact and lighter in weight than a DC gear motor. It is also more energy efficient. The high efficiency of the brushless DC gear motor makes it the better choice for applications where space is limited, such as in electric vehicles. The features of the new brushless DC gear motors make them the better choice for most applications. How do I choose a DC gear motor? A DC gear motor is an electric motor that uses direct current to power a gear train. The gears in a DC gear motor are used to increase or decrease the speed of the motor. The key to using a DC gear motor is to choose a gear ratio that will allow the motor to operate at or near its maximum efficiency. When choosing a DC gear motor, it is important to consider the desired speed and torque of the application. The speed of the motor can be increased or decreased by changing the gear ratio. The torque of the motor can be increased by adding more gears to the train. It is also important to consider the power requirements of the application when choosing a DC gear motor. The key to using a DC gear motor is to choose a gear ratio that will allow the motor to operate at or near its maximum efficiency.